Wayne Taylor Racing is a multiple championship sports car racing team. It was founded by three-time World Sport Car Champion Wayne Taylor. They compete in various racing series and championships worldwide and have won over 30 victories. Here they are racing in the number 10 Konica Minolta Chevrolet Corvette at the 2016 Rolex 24.
At Wayne Taylor Racing, we use Adenna gloves when working with carbon fiber, brake clean, gear oil, engine oil, and they protect our hands in all situations.
Safety is always a primary focus. We provide all our employees with Adenna gloves to protect them from various work environments, such as brake parts cleaning, harsh elements, solvents, and cleaners.
Adenna offers over 20 different styles of disposable gloves to keep automotive professionals' hands healthy and clean. These gloves protect against acetone, grease, solvents, paints, and other hazardous materials. Let us protect your most important tools, your hands.